Join me as I test the limits of the HS360S drone, flying it up to 10,000 feet while capturing stunning 4K footage. The HS360S drone is a game-changer in the world of aerial photography, boasting an impressive 4K camera that's capable of capturing breathtaking footage from new heights. When it comes to flying drones, we've all experienced the frustration of limited flight range and subpar camera quality. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, you know how disheartening it is to be restricted by your drone's capabilities. You invest time and money into capturing the perfect shot, only to be let down by a lack of range or poor video quality. It's a common problem that many of us face, and it's precisely why we need a high-performance drone that can keep up with our creative demands. The search for such a drone led me to the HS360S, and I'm excited to put it to the test. We've seen so many drones on the market that promise the world but fail to deliver. Will the HS360S be any different? With its impressive specs and sleek design, I'm hopeful that it'll finally bridge the gap between what we want from our drones and what they can actually deliver. One of the biggest challenges drone users face is the sheer lack of range. We've all been there. You're in the middle of a shoot, and suddenly your drone loses signal or runs out of battery. It's infuriating, and it can be a real deal-breaker for those critical shots. But what if I told you that the HS360S can transmit video up to 10,000 feet? That's right, you read that correctly. This drone has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach aerial photography, giving us the freedom to explore new heights and capture footage that was previously impossible. The HS360S is packed with features that make it an absolute powerhouse in the drone market. Its 4K camera is capable of capturing stunning footage at 30 frames per second, and its advanced transmission technology allows for a seamless video feed even at extreme distances. But that's not all. The drone itself is built to last, with a durable design and a flight time of up to 25 minutes. Whether you're a professional photographer or a drone enthusiast, the HS360S has everything you need to take your aerial photography to the next level. Let's take a look at some of the incredible footage I captured with the HS360S. As you can see, the 4K camera delivers breathtaking results, with crystal-clear video and a level of detail that's unparalleled in the drone market. But what really impressed me was the drone's ability to transmit video at such extreme distances. It's truly remarkable. Whether I was flying over vast landscapes or capturing fast-paced action shots, the HS360S delivered consistently stunning results. In this real-world scenario, the HS360S drone's advanced transmission technology shines. Even at 10,000 feet, the video feed is rock solid, with barely any latency or interference. It's a testament to the drone's capabilities and a clear indication that it's designed to handle even the most demanding shoots. With the HS360S, the possibilities are endless. You can capture stunning aerial footage, track fast-paced action, or even use it for search and rescue operations. The HS360S drone is a powerhouse in every sense of the word. From its impressive 4K camera to its advanced transmission technology and durable design, it's a game-changer in the world of aerial photography. Whether you're a professional photographer or a drone enthusiast, this drone has everything you need to take your creative vision to new heights. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the HS360S drone in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more drone reviews and tech insights, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more exciting content.